family. We're so glad that you stopped in today to see what I'm doing at the rat fields. Leon is hunting. One of my goals this year is to keep our pantries organized and well stocked. And in order to do that, I really need to get my kitchen pantry organized. I have many goals this year, and one of them is to keep both pantries stocked as much as possible. In order to do that, I need to know what is in here. So I'm going to get everything organized today. I'm going to give you some tips along the way, and I'm going to do some voiceover, but I'm going to come back in and talk to you one-on-one personally. And so with that said, I hope you enjoy this video. An organized pantry is the first step towards an organized and well-functioning kitchen. The pantry is like the heart of the kitchen. The first thing that you want to do is to remove everything out of your pantry, shelf by shelf. This will help you truly see all the items that you have. Try and put your pantry items in categories that work best for you. This will make putting things back in the pantry just a little bit easier. If you have boxes with just a few items in it, just remove the items and throw the boxes away. Cleaning out your kitchen pantry can sometimes be challenging. However, it will be so well worth it in the end. Being able to know what you have and know what you need to keep those pantries stocked and fill in the gaps is so important when you're a prepper. Now, I have gotten everything out of the kitchen pantry, and that's just a stool I was using. That's water. This that I have here that has beans and stuff in it, I'm not going to take this out because I can just open the drawers and take the stuff out to organize it in the container that I have. I'm going to show you the stuff that I took out, and I tried to keep it in order, which is really what I wanted to do, but it was impossible. I didn't realize I had, stuff in here like that. It was so unorganized, y'all. And we are still going through product from 2017, so I want to show you some of those items first. This is just a few items that we are still going through from 2017. The sardines, the vegetables, the mushroom, navy beans, and some tomato. At the end of the video, I am going to open up each one of these products, and I'm going to give it the look, the smell, and I'm also going to taste them. So this is the produce that I took out of the kitchen pantry, and I'll just kind of give you a look around. I did not have room for it all on the bar. So here's product. This down here on the floor is my, I love those Roman noodles in the cup. I'm going to stack those properly. So this is just product. So I'm just going around the other side of the bar so you can see everything. Okay. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to show you some containers that Leon bought for me, and I think it's going to work well in this kitchen pantry. I don't know if it will work in everybody's pantry, but I feel like this is what is going to work best for us. So I hope this gives you an idea. As I'm cleaning out this cabinet right here, because I can use it for something else, I took out all my garden seeds and my pectin for jelly. I'm going to put them in the top shelf because I don't use them that often. Alright, I am ready to show you what I've done. Here's the top shelves. I've been pulling them in and out the drawers, putting things in them. I've got cake mix in them, tacos, extra crackers, almonds and breakfast things, cookie mix. Up there I have my pectin, my garden seeds, sunflower seeds and things like Leon likes to eat. And I will be pulling those stickers off, but not now. Mashed potato flakes, some packaged items for side dishes. Down here I have my powdered sugar, my brown sugar, spaghetti, tea, rice, and this is tomatoey products and more noodles. Fruit, honey, molasses. This is baking products, tuna fish. Here's some items. There's the canned goods. And these drawers, I still have my beans I have to process. I put my crackers in this drawer. Leon and I eat a lot of crackers with soup in the winter. That's Leon's. And then the bottom drawer is more noodles. That is all the bags that I collect, you know, when we go grocery shopping. So there we go. Let me show you the products that I'm putting in the storage room. Products that I'm not putting back in there. I'm going to put them in our second pantry. My soup that's not healthy for you at all, but I love, I'm going to stack those in the second pantry. Okay, I moved y'all over here so y'all can see better. Alright, the first product is Arlene's Sardines in Mustard Sauce. Okay, the date is right there. So, Best Buy, October 17th. So, we're going to open it up. We're going to look at it. We're going to smell it. Smells good, y'all. Love sardines. Okay, and we're going to put a little bit. I have 5 spoons. We're going to put a little bit on the plate. Okay, I'm going to taste it. I'm going to open up them all. The next one is mushroom soup. Best Buy is right there, October 17th. October the 01, 2017. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to look at it. Smell it. Smells good. Yes, I am going to taste mushroom soup. It's good. I don't care if it's condensed. And I am going to use these products, you guys. Alright, the next product is navy beans. Great value. Alright, this one is 041220. And we're going to open those up. Look at it, smell it. Put it right there. The next one is mixed vegetables, Clover Valley. The Best Buy date is December 2019. Excuse the noise. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to look at it, smell it, and then I'm going to put it on the plate. And I am hungry. I haven't eaten. And the last product is chili red tomatoes, Great Value brand. The Best Buy date is September the 1st, 2020. If y'all can see that. Okay. So I'm just going to pop these open. Gonna look at it, smell it, and oh my word, I love these. I can just eat these. This is a dip, and I'm gonna taste it. All right, so let me get this out the way. Turn these around where y'all can see them. Here we go. So, let me see if I can bring y'all closer. Right there. Sorry, y'all. Alright, here's my... I guess. Well, there is one spoon. Let me get it. So, here's my lunch. First, I'm going to taste the condensed mushroom soup. Tastes like condensed mushroom soup. Next, I'm going to taste the sardines. Y'all, it has not lost its flavor at all. I'm going to taste the white beans, the navy beans. Tastes like navy beans. I'm going to taste the mixed vegetable. They got it mixed up with the tomato sauce, but they are delicious. And here is the canned tomatoes. Those are delicious. Yeah. And so Leon and I are still eating on food from 2017, 2019. That's how far ahead that we are. We do eat a lot of beans. It's just we've always had so much of it. I don't fret. I make sure my cans, I use the cans that are dented first. I make sure they're not accumulating any type of rust. And I don't try to rush use my product because I know that they will be fine. That's my own personal opinion, so y'all have to do your research on that, of course. And that is my disclaimer on that. But I just wanted to do that to let you know that, in my opinion and Leon's opinion, they're safe well after the sell-by date. So, I am really tired, but I still have a lot of work to do, you guys. I thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I gave you a little bit of encouragement to get your kitchen pantry or your second pantry, or even if you have a third, organized. Check all your cans, put them in the right date order, rotate out your product, and when you go in your pantry, you won't have to scramble for things. You will actually know where they are. And I will let you know if those shelves work out. I'm going to play around with them. You know, I'm going to go in there and grab something as if I'm going to use it. I'm going to see how well it does. And it was just an idea. Instead of taking the wire shelves out and putting a bunch of shelves in there, I needed that space from the shelf to the ceiling. You would only fill half of it, and then you would have so much space in between. And I need all my space in my pantry. So anyway, guys, I'm rambling on. Well, I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.